Hello there. Heavy rain, thunderstorms have been moving northwards and eastwards through the evening and overnight after what was the warmest day of the year so far. 27.5 degrees Celsius at Heathrow Airport. So that's in the warmth ahead of these weather systems. But this low pressure is driving those in. It's dragging that warmth and that moisture northwards and eastwards. So a lot of that heavy rain will have cleared except for the Northern Isles by the end of the night. Warm, as you can see, for most areas, but windier in the northwest. A little bit of fog first thing, particularly for England and Wales, but plenty of dry, bright, sunny weather, strong sunshine. It looks like drier weather will be around for Northern Ireland, and the early rain across northern and western parts of Scotland as well clears for lengthy spells of sunshine. But it is windy, gusts of wind, potentially 50 miles an hour in northern and western areas. That rain approaches later, the clouds gathering in the south. But ahead of that, 20 to 24 degrees Celsius, I think, on the cards for Wednesday. Now, as we head through this evening, it looks like we could see some more thunderstorms that are dragging their way northwards, that heavy rain coming in from the west, and it looks torrential. It could be very wet for a time through this evening and overnight before again it clears out of the way. So we're watching that one. Gusty winds, hail, thunder and lightning, but a warm end to the night. Bringing us into a ridge of high pressure pushing in for Thursday night. Could be that we see some thundery showers though across southern and eastern areas, but otherwise it's looking like a drier day too after that overnight rain. A little bit of dampness, a little bit of grey weather, low cloud, and a risk of some rain for the west of Scotland, and as I say, a risk of some thundery showers in southern and eastern areas. But with the sunshine elsewhere, temperatures once again in those high teens to low possibly mid-20s for many parts, warmest in southern and eastern areas. That ridge of high pressure then builds through for a time as we go into Thursday night, but again I think more widely wet during the day on Friday. The weekend then brings that high pressure into southern areas with the weather fronts towards the north. So it looks as if Friday will be more widely unsettled during the day this time, and then the driest weather but fresher weather for the weekend in the south, but more unsettled further north. As ever, you can keep up to date, including the warnings, on the website.